Thank you and welcome into Blessed Be World News and Entertainment. Well, the information reaching to us this moment and records have revealed so far that Olonisakin Buratai others spent over 2.6 trillion on arms under Buhari apart from 1 billion ECA funds. Well, the breakdown shows that in 2015, the military spent 397 billion on arms. In 2016, 444 billion naira. In 2017, 495 billion. In 2018, 654 billion naira. In 2019, 669 billion naira in 2019 respectively. The immediate past service chiefs who held the military command under President Muhammadu Buhari for about 6 years spent more than 2,659 trillion on military arms and ammunition between 2015 and 2019. Records have revealed. Sahara reporters learned that the 2,659 trillion in outside the controversial $1 billion excess accrued account fund, which was approved by Buhari in April 2018 despite public outcry. While the $1 billion was nevertheless approved and revealed, partly because the former military chiefs impressed upon the National Assembly that they did not have enough fund to fight the insurgents. The 2,659 trillion naira for military arms was the total, according to record for 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019 respectively, and was shared among the immediate past chief of army staff, Lieutenant General Tukur Buratai, retired. The Olonisakin retired. The former chief of Navy Staff, Vice Admiral Ibok Etok Epas, retired, and the former chief of Air Staff, Air Marshal Sadiq Abubakar, retired. The breakdown shows that in 2015, the military spent 397 billion naira on arms. In 2016, 444 billion. In 2017, 495 billion naira. In 2018, 654 billion. In 2019, 669 billion. According to the Stockholm International Peace Research Institute, a Sweden-based group which documents military transactions globally, Nigeria within these years brought arms from at least 13 countries. Well, it is not clear if some of the purchases were inflated or not. Some parts of the fund were not extended for the purpose intended. The SIPRI's arms transforms database identified the countries that supply the arms as Brazil, which supply EMB 314 Super Tucano China aircraft. Okay, Canada, which supply turboprop ships in 2018. China, which also supplied SH2122mm and SH5105 self-propelled gun VT4 tanks, ZTL-09 armed vehicle CH3 and CH4 and UVAVs. Okay, other countries are France, Italy, Northlands, Pakistan, Russia, South Africa, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, United Kingdom, and the United States. Sahara reporters had on Tuesday exclusively reported that the $1 billion set aside by Buhari, I beg your pardon, from the excess crude accounts to buy military arms and ammunition was actually released to the military and shared among the Air Force, the Army, and the Navy under the immediate part service chiefs. Okay, Sahara reporters learned that the military, or a billion naira release was approved by the National Assembly and shared to the military arms in 2019 without public knowledge to avoid criticisms. In December 2018, Buratai, while addressing newsmen in Maiduguri, Borno State, had himself hinted that the money had been released but had not, as of then, got to the army's coffers. The National Security Advisor, Major General Babagana Mogunu, retired, has last week questioned that some fund meant for the purchase of arms to fight Boko Haram and other security challenges in the country were missing. Well, this has been how it is in the country of Nigeria. The truth is that so many things to question about the fund and ammunition that has been approved over the years since 2015, from 2015 down to 2019. Okay, this has been taken, and the truth remains that it has been reviewed based on records that Olonisakin, Buratai, and others spent over 2.6 trillion on arms, only on arms, under Buhari, apart from $1 billion ECA fund. All right, what is your take? What do you have to say in regards to how this money has been spent and what they use it so far? Well, it is in your court now to kick and then send in your take. Remember to hit on the subscription button if you're joining us for the very first time. Thank you for staying by.